I just finished the video showing you how to face lather with hard soap and the Pro Mega brush right here. As long as I'm all lathered up, let me get my shave on. This is the Goodfellas Smile LYBRA razor. I've done a couple videos with it already. It's solid stainless steel, 316L. As I said before, it's a 4-piece razor. Nice hefty chunky handle with a beautiful design right there. Nice geometric design. It's got the protective fiber washer firmly inserted into the handle so that it doesn't come in contact with the underside of the safety bar. And also will prevent the threads from getting gunked up as well. So set that down. Check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 pieces. I'll be using a feather blade that I have shaved with 1 or 2 times already. Put that over the threaded post and the slots, as you can see right there. Next, this piece. It's got the slot, the hollow channel, kind of a zigzag on the other side, a V shape, whatever you want to call that. That slot goes toward the blade, locks it down. Then you got your safety bar. The flat part here is the mild side. The grooved or the tooth comb side is the aggressive side. The side that goes upward toward the blade is the side you're shaving with. I'll start with the aggressive side. You didn't see my beard, but if you check the previous video, you'll see. I had a pretty decent beard growth, 3 days. Here's the razor with the blade. You can see perfect reveal. Beautiful looking razor. And very chunky, very hefty, long enough to drop in the palm and spin. Under the hot water, again, the aggressive side first. Quick photo op right here. All right, let's do it. Under the hot water, cut the sideburn. Very comfortable shaving, and it's got enough heft where just the weight of the razor plows right through the beard very easily. One side filled, I'm switching to the other side. Excellent. Rinse. Both sides are filled. Rinse off. Rinses out easily. Let's hit the left side, cut that sideburn. Work your way down. Slices through very easily, even with 1 or 2 shaves on this blade. Both sides are filled. Rinse off. Now let's hit the upper lip. You can get very close. It's got a nice taper to it. Easy to get under the nose. Six to 7 on the aggressive on this. From 1 to 10 as far as aggressiveness on the aggressive side, the open comb side. It's not really open comb, but it's got a comb to it. You can see it. It's got teeth. A quick rinse. Wow, I'm pretty smooth already. Really nice. But let's go for one more. Don't even have to dip in the mug again. I have enough on the brush. Relather. Try the fingers. This is the tedious part. If you don't mind doing this, you'll get a fantastic shave from this razor. Remove the handle. Remove the bar. Just flip it over, drop it right back in again. Reinstall the handle. Now we're shaving on the mild setting. You don't see the teeth. The teeth are on the underside. This is the mild setting. Doesn't take long, but if you don't mind doing it, you will get a fantastic shave. As I said, 6 to 7 on the aggressive side. Now we'll go with the mild side. You feel like there's no way you're going to cut yourself with this razor. Oops, just kidding. Here we go. Rinse. Against the grain on the neck. Rinse. Under the nose, start with the corner, lay it flat. Yep, that's my stomach. I'll be eating some chicken kebabs right after this. All right, rinse. A cold water rinse to the face. Grab your Shave Nation wide stick Allen block, remove the cap under the cold water. Just glide that over all the areas you shaved. Excellent finish to the shave. Rinse it, recap it, set it off to the side, let that soak in for about 30 seconds, and then rinse it off. Pat the face dry. Apply your aftershave balm. Take a final look. Cheeks, chin, upper lip, neck. Excellent shave provided by this razor. The Goodfellas Smile LYBRA razor. 316L stainless steel. It's fashioned from a solid chunk, so it's a lifetime razor. As I said, hefty, beautiful looking design. Feels great in the hand. Easy to drop in the palm and spin. On the aggressive setting with the teeth facing upward toward the blade, 6 to 7. On the mild, I'll go 3 to 4 on the mild, with the smooth side showing as it is right now. I really enjoy the shave with this razor, and super close as well. If you don't mind dealing with that fourth plate, it's no big deal, because once you have it in there, you're only swapping the safety bar, flipping it from mild to aggressive. It's pretty simple, no big deal. Please like, comment, subscribe, share my videos with your friends. Over 1,000 videos, shaving and more. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day.